beautiful people. So today we are headed to the pyramids. The reason because of which a lot of people, a lot of tourists come to Egypt to see the Great Pyramids. So आज वो दिन है, सुबह के 8 बज रहे हैं. We are just headed to Giza. The excitement is just touching the roofs right now. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to tell you to just express my excitement right now. We are all dressed up because we plan to take a lot of pictures and stuff. So yeah, let's go to see the pyramids.
Today is our day 2 of Egypt adventures and we are starting from Cairo. Cairo is the largest city in Egypt and it also happens to be the capital city of Egypt. कायरो के ही कुछ ही दूर है गीजा. गीजा is the land of pyramids and sphinx. आज we will be face to face with not only history but ancient history itself. I personally cannot wait to explore the Great Pyramids, something the world is very fascinated about, and I personally find pyramids extremely mysterious. So let's see what all we can find today. So as soon as you enter through the Great Gates, which is the entry point of the pyramids, you enter into a huge hall. Now this hall has the exact details and a lot of information about the pyramids, like how they were constructed, the dynasties. For example, the Great Pyramids belong to the 4th dynasty of the then rulers of ancient Egypt. There are around 5 to 6 pyramids and the largest pyramid is called the King Khufu's pyramid. All these pyramids are made of limestone, and then once you grab all the information, you hop on to the bus service which is included in the tickets, and then you go to the actual site. Just very close to pyramids, there is a panoramic viewpoint where the bus will drop you. यहाँ पे you will see a lot of camels and their masters. This is a good fun place where you can take a camel ride. So Vidushi got really afraid while Tanisi absolutely wanted this fun ride. Tanisi को accompany करने के लिए Amit also had to go on a camel ride. So this is where the father and the daughter, they were taking a ride, and me and Vidushi, we were clicking pictures and having some fun in the sand. It was absolutely amazing.
It is unbelievable that today I'm standing in the presence of these great pyramids. I don't know कि कितनी आवाज़ आ रही है because बहुत windy है. I left my jacket in the bus. But everybody's like, maybe in 2 hours it will just go away. It is cold. It is that nice chill in the air with nice warm sun. But this is what I am looking at right
Honestly, the first time you see pyramids, it is an unbelievable moment. वो इसलिए क्योंकि हमेशा हमने pyramids ना books में देखे हैं and they are honestly the most hyped up and most mysterious wonder amongst the seven wonders of the world. It is also the most oldest or the ancient wonder of the world. And this moment, while I first made contact with the pyramid, was an absolutely goosebumps moment for me. मतलब मेरे को तो बिलीव ही नहीं हो रहा था that I'm standing here today in the presence of this megalithic structures which has been and which has stood the test of time. So we are looking at, like I said, not only history, we are looking at ancient history. And I was very very excited to go inside the pyramid. अब अंदर जाने के लिए एक आपको separate ticket लेनी पड़ती है, which is 1500 EGP. We took that ticket and I cannot explain this feeling and how excited I was to explore the inside of the pyramid. So a little background is, if you have to experience to go inside the pyramids, then be very very mentally prepared, because it's a very narrow passage and you have to navigate your way through a lot of narrow staircase and बहुत सारी जगह होगी जहाँ पे आपको bend करके, squat करके, crawl करके भी जाना पड़ेगा. So unless you really want to go, then absolutely go. But if you think that you're not fit enough, especially for people who are like really old or expecting mothers, if you think you're not fit enough, then you can actually wait outside, because once you go inside, there's no coming back. There is a very narrow passage, तो आप वापस बाहर आने के chances बहुत कम है. I personally really enjoyed this whole experience of seeing inside the pyramid. I mean, you have traveled so far. You have traveled all the way from India to Egypt. Why won't you go inside? I think this is once in a lifetime experience, and you must do it.
Okay, so I think we are halfway through, but it is not for the faint-hearted. मैंने बहुत सारी वीडियोस देखी हैं, which used to warn us कि किसी का कोई सनग्लासेस गिर गया, so which used to say कि पिरामिड्स में मत जाओ अगर आपकी हेल्थ ठीक नहीं है. Well, that's true. तो फिज़िकली बहुत मेहनत लग रही है चढ़ने में ऊपर. तभी से विदुषी फट चढ़ गए और मैं अपनी ये बड़ी सी क्लियोपैट्रा वाली ड्रेस में बड़ी मुश्किल से मैनेज करके रिकॉर्ड करके चढ़ रही हूँ. सो प्लीज़ प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब.
So keep walking, keep walking.
Okay. There you go. Oh my god. We did it, guys. We did it. We did it.
We are inside and I'm so excited. What is going to be there?
Where are you?
Oh, we are in a great pyramid, and inside there, in ancient times, inside there, they used to keep mummy said.
It was a king. It was a king.
Yeah, it was a king. And my first time going in a pyramid. And it's so exciting.
They call it the last standing wonder of the ancient world. But to truly understand the Great Pyramid, you have to leave the light behind and step into the stone. Walking inside is like traveling backward through 5,000 years of silence. The air grows heavy, the walls close in. Every step up these narrow wooden ramps feel like a descent into a mystery that even science cannot fully explain. This whole travel from outside to the inside till the main chamber feels like a journey in the afterlife itself. At the heart of it all is the king's chamber. No gold, no hieroglyphics, just cold red granite and a hollow sarcophagus. Standing here in the absolute center of 6 million tons of stone, you just don't see history, you actually feel it. There are so many things I want to say right now, but I think the words will not do justice. They said that Napoleon entered this room and emerged shaken, refusing to say what he saw. After being inside, I finally understand why.
Hey, we did it, we made it, and oh my god, it feels so nice to breathe after that small little room. It was a little difficult, obviously, and it's claustrophobic because so many people, go down that dungeon or tunnel. But finally, we did it, and it is an experience which I think you should do, and you should not let it pass. सबको एक बार तो आना ही चाहिए, and if you made it this far, then why not a little more further? And now we are outside the pyramids.
Honestly, a very few people get to experience what we just experienced. Being in the presence of these great pyramids and visiting inside the great pyramids was a truly, truly special and most memorable experience, which I'm going to keep with myself for a very long time. और अब टाइम है थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ने का. Just in the same complex also resides another great ancient wonder of the world, the Sphinx. Both the pyramids and the Sphinx are not only the most enigmatic and mysterious megalithic structures on Earth, but they are also astronomically and geometrically very precise. The pyramids were built around 2600 BC, which makes it 4600 years old, while the Sphinx is believed to predate the pyramids itself. For thousands of years, Sphinx was buried up to its neck under the Sahara Desert, its body hidden from the world. It was until 1920s that it was fully excavated, revealing the massive leonine body that supports the regal human head. It represents the pharaoh, half man, half lion, symbolizing the union of divine intelligence and raw earthly power. Sphinx was actually referred to as a god, which was guarding the pyramids till eternity. The Sphinx faces to east, aligning with the rising sun and telling a story of astronomical alignment and precision of that time. Walking under the shadow of these giants, you realize that time feels different in Egypt. We spent the day walking through the tunnels built 5,000 years ago and standing in the shadow of a Sphinx that has watched the world change. It's hard to put into words, but you don't just see Giza, you feel it. It's a reminder of how small we are, but also how much beauty we are capable of leaving behind. If you like my Giza's journey, then please be with me on this journey as I take you further down the Nile. Trust me, you don't want to miss the places I'm going to show you next. Remember, my Egypt travels are still going on. Be with me on this journey and you will have a lot of fun, as much as I had seeing there, being there, and I want to share it with you.